Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and has at least 5% battery so the system will accept changes. This prevents automatic re-enable. Next, open the Settings app and navigate to Battery or Power Management. That's where super power saving options live. If the phone asks, use your PIN or biometrics to enter protected settings. This step ensures you can change saved profiles. Once done, you'll be positioned exactly at the controls to turn the mode off. You now locate Super Power Saving or Ultra Power Saving in the battery menu. Manufacturers may use slightly different labels, but the functions match. Tap that option, then toggle the main switch off and confirm any on-screen prompts. The system will list restricted apps and services being restored. If a quick settings tile exists, swipe down and disable it there for speed. Make sure to accept any permissions or confirmations. This restores background services and notifications that the mode had paused. Once you turn the mode off, check that notifications, Wi-Fi, mobile data, background sync, and app access return to normal. This confirms full restoration. If some features remain restricted, restart the device to clear lingering power-saving flags. As a final troubleshooting tip, if the phone stays in power saving, perform a force restart or boot into safe mode, then repeat the disable sequence. That removes third-party app interference. If problems persist, contact support with your model and OS version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.